chopping the burdock root into smaller pieces to add to a stir fry. Adding about a cup of onions and some beef. Beginning to stir, just stirring the onions and the beef until the beef gets slightly brown. And then adding the burdock root and leaves and stems. Those are all going to be a nice, nutritious addition for us tonight. Let this cook for a couple minutes before adding carrots and cooked rice. And there we have another tasty wild edible green from our backyard, incorporating it easily in our meals.